Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to use a voice changer on Roblox mobile while playing the game at the same time. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So when you open your Roblox mobile application, when you select any of these games and look for the option of the voice chat, you will notice that Roblox mobile application doesn't have the built-in voice changing feature. So to change your voice inside the voice chat game, you just have to need an external application that processes your mic live. The most reliable option is VoiceFX because it supports the real-time microphone mode and it works smoothly in the background. So in order to get the application, simply open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, simply search for VoiceFX. Now once you are able to find the VoiceFX application, you just have to tap on it, then tap on the option of install. Now once the installation is completed, tap on the option of open in order to launch the application. If it asks you for the microphone permissions, you just have to tap on the option of grant permissions and you need to simply allow the permissions here. So once you have allowed the permissions, you are going to see this type of button in front of you. Now over here you need to find the option that is called live voice. Once you are able to find the live voice option, simply just tap on it in order to turn it on. You can also tap on this red icon so that it could starts working in the background. Now this feature takes your voice, it applies the chosen effect and send it to Roblox as your microphone input. Now you just have to scroll to the list of the voices that are available here. We have like fast talk, slow motion, then we have reverse, normal, helium, monster. So you can choose any of the voices that are available here. So once you have tapped on this recording option, simply come inside your Roblox application. Now once you are here, simply just tap on the game which you want to play. Once you are inside, tap on the option of voice chat. Now Roblox will automatically use whatever audio the VoiceFX application is sending through your microphone. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.